Right, apologies for the loudness, my PC has got some pretty loud fans on it. So once you've put the seats in, that's not everything quite done, but what you're going to have to do is you're going to get a load of codes on your G20 when you do this, and you need to clear them out. So I've got ProTools. Now ProTools is by a company called bimmergeeks.net, so you want to obviously go to those guys. The support's really handy, they helped me when it came to the coding, but again I'm saving you having to go backwards and forwards with the US. A lot of people on MHD, so you need several things. You need the app itself, which I believe is Android only, so you might need an Android tablet or to borrow a mate's Android phone or someone in the family's Android phone, and then you need some kind of adapter so you can connect it different ways. Or if like me, a lot of you will have the MHD maybe orange or red. I've got the MHD red, which is great because that works with Bimmer codes, it works with Pro Tools, it works with XHP, it works with XDelete. So I've just got that one dongle to do all my coding. So you want to buy this. So I made the mistake of just buying the coding element of it for $99. And then I realised I needed to read the error codes off this. I couldn't read them from my MHD. I needed to do it all through this tool. So I then had to buy the fault code finding or scanning, whatever you want to call it, add-on, which was another $99. So $200. However, you can buy it in a bundle for about $180. So Android device, a dongle, and then you need to obviously download it and obviously pay for it first. So once you have downloaded the app, now I'm going to try and do this on my phone, but I'm using an Osmo, and because of wide angles they sometimes struggle with, you know, range and zooming, so I'm going to kind of hold it out there. So when you load into it, if you're using the MHD orange or red, you're going to connect over eNet Wi-Fi, none of the other connectivity types, and then generation 3. So if you click on that, hopefully this is in focus, you've got all the different options, and we've got FG and I chassis down here at the bottom. So then you hit connect. This isn't going to connect because I don't have the car with me, but this would say establish connection and it would find the vehicle. List of options, here we go. So when you're connected, there'll be ECU as a top option, multi-ECU. So you go in there and then you scan for codes, and then it'll pick up the error codes, which I'm showing on the screen now. And then you go to expert mode and you click this eyeglass up here. So you've got this eyeglass here in that top corner. So once you're in expert mode and click that, now what you're going to do is search for all of these options are going to show on the screen. I'm not going to try and describe them, they're all in German because obviously any coding on a BMW is the Bavarian, so it's in German. But then what you want to do is that you want to go to each of these pages, search for each of these in the search criteria, and then you want to disable them. So once you've done that, and you restart the vehicle, it will have cleared out those error codes. Now, any flashing, I'm not taking any liability. You want to connect it to a battery. You want to make sure you've got good battery health for any kind of coding. But once you put these in, and you've set all these to disable, these 6 things, when you restart the vehicle, all of your error codes will be removed. Before you do anything, when you first load up Pro Tools and you scan the ECU and scan multi-ECU and you go to the coding section, it will say, do you want to create a backup? Create a backup, call it original settings or something like that, and date it to make sure that if you do cock it up, or for some reason this doesn't work on your car, you can revert it back. So like I said, I hold no liability. I've followed this on my G20 M340i 2021 model and it worked like a treat. So thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, and I hope this was of use and allows you to code out the error codes, because these error codes would be an MOT failure. Ciao for now.